NSC. Any thoughts? What are your thoughts?
I am overstimulated and also having mixed emotions.
Hindi mo ko pinapakain. Sana, kapag naginipan mo ako.
I know that!
So, how about you guys?
I'm scared.
She's scared.
I'm waiting for the day I can eat sweets.
Oh.
The day is like Sunday or Saturday.
Julian, if I see you say NSC is on site, dude. It's on site.
Hi guys! We're here now at SMDC.
Is this so tough? Is this tough?
We're getting all our
I like
stuff.
my bag. I really like my bag. Hide and seek.
360 please. Yay!
I like my bag.
She has MLP.
And I have One Piece.
One Piece. Say hi, Aga.
Hi! We're in NSC SMDC Tagaytay.
Yay!
Oh wait, I'm not talking.
And she has another bag.
And then this is Pompo.
Yay!
I'm so fat right now. Ano yun?
Smooth ng camera ni Mami. Say hi! Say hi! 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 Yay! Say hi! Hi! Sujet, hi! Parang sikip niyo. Nathan. Nathan, hi! Smile! Yeah. Yun na. Oh! NSC thoughts.
I have an idea. Kabado.
NCS thoughts.
Pero confident.
NCS thoughts.
Ano? This is unexpected and expected. Tanggalingan nyo lang. Tama.
What are your thoughts for NSC?
Makakapag-enjoy.
Yeah.
Hi guys, papasok na kami sa room.
Let's go. Room tour tayo, boy.
Room tour. Forward tayo.
Bye guys.
Go!
Yo, hello. Day 1 of NEC.
Day 1. Day 1 of NEC. Goodbye.
Bye na.
Bye-bye.
Say hi.
Hi.
Let's sing. 1, 2, 3, go. Champion Blue Bar. Mas pinabango. Mas pinabango. Mas pinabango. Room tour, guys. This is room 1015. When you enter, we have our counter, our small kitchen, and Ma'am Myla. Wow. And then, hi guys. Hi. And then this is our CR.
What is the CR?
I don't know. Lights, please. Where are you?
Crazy.
Oh, toilet. The shower.
Hanso.
Hand soap. Mirror.
Noise.
Dilima. There we go. We have life.
Sige na, start ano na. Fix yourself, no? Unpacking mo na. Fix yourself first.
Okay, ma'am. We have the sofa table, some decorations. We have a TV. balcony. We're not allowed to go there though. So that's our room. Yes!
Baby, see yours.
Look at the room!
I like that light.
They walk across the
Yeah.
Tapos yung balcony is still open.
This is the room of Hannah. And I think Audrey.
Welcome to our crib.
Oh, yes! So, could you please tour us?
Over here we have the kitchen. Oh, very nice. Nice sink. And over here, it's
Oh.
bathroom, it's a shower. And over here we have a very nice pink bed.
Oh!
And
Oh!
over here we have
Oh!
sofa/bed of it. And we have 6-7 sets of chairs. And over here, there was only one bed.
Ang ganda ng bed niyo!
Really?
Look at their bed!
Wait, I'm supposed to check your base.
Yeah, you go to
We
our
are 6-7 steps away from the fire exit.
Yes. Specifically 6-7.
We just walk straight and then we go turn and then
Okay.
fire exit.
She's so fast, guys. I can't even catch up. Oh, thank you. No, mom. Uy, ang puti.
Wow. Grabe,
I think,
tinawan mo.
right? Yay! Roger! You're so cute!
Magkikrave ako ng hotdog sa set.
We've seen other schools now. Dito lang yung
Stress na sila, guys. Stress na sila. Uwi na! We're going home.
Let's go, chone.
Bati ka. Bagal, oh. We're going home. I mean, going to condo. We're going back to our condo. Day 1, light week. This is day 1. Tapos na ang day 1, guys. Sumakit ang aking paa. Tomorrow is music day. Masakit na ang aking mga paa. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Tapos na ang first day.
No extra talking.
No extra rice.
So ito po ang aming first day of Genesee.
Day 1, light week.
Grabe ang pagod namin, guys. Oh. Kita mo yan? Uwi lang kami.
Day 1, light week, guys.
Rally late na, boy. Ay. Time check na lang.
Ang dali, guys.
6:47. Kami na lang mga estudyante dito sa labas. Yes. Very
Naghihintay lang ako
early or
Hindi ka na makatulog sa day 1, ah.
napagod ng paa namin. Pero masaya pa rin.
May stress pagdating ng day 2, day 3. Wala lang.
Day 2, light week pa rin yun. Handbells lang.
Really?
Light week.
Talaga? Yaya.
Summit Ridge.
Lamig yun. Ito NSC.
Ang lamig dito sa Tagaytay.
Tama yan?
Ang lamig. Ang lamig sa Tagaytay.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Ang lamig.
You know, hi vlog. Welcome to my guys. So guys, pauwi na kami.
Kakain ba?
Yes, kakain kami.
Tara Jerry's. Yes. Day na bukas.
Onigiri!
Tingnan ko na yung voice ko. Example day. We are from the Namis of Wisdom Christian School. And the title of our song is You Are My All in All. Yun, practice ko na.
Ang lamig, boy.
Salamat.
Naka 1 kilometer na kami, boy.
Sangkip kami ngayon.
Tayo ng malapit lang!
1 kilometer.
Sangyup mat salam.
Sabi na, hindi dapat tayo naniniwala sa malapit lang eh.
Matirang tunay. Mat salam na lang.
Baka punta na tayo sa Fora Mall.
Sangyup mat salam. Ewan ko yun.
The good guys. And the good guys.
Hi guys! I'm back guys! Hi back! Yung pasensya ko po. Hello!
Mabibilan natin ang
Hello! Say hello!
first day.
Yes, first day done.
Ano? Day 1 mode, easy mode. Surviving.
Trying best to survive. Hi! Say hi! Hello! Oh!
I'm gonna sigh again. I know how.
No, okay. Okay, do it. Kakabigay lang sa akin, kukunin mo?
Hi po.
Ang galing. Outfit. Ang galing mo. Outfit mo ah.
Oh, talino!
Ito ka ba?
Ay, bakit kumain na kayo?
I know din na.
Una pa kami nandito.
Paggabi na.
Nya.
We're finally done with day 1, but we still need a lot of things to do tomorrow morning because marami pa kaming tinatapos today. And may the Lord guide us tomorrow in our music.
Yay!
Kain muna kami and then we'll see you later.
Yay! Hello! Hi, Ava! Hi, guys! Hello! Day 1 done, and this is us.
Hindi pa ng alcohol, bibili ko
Full face. Hindi mo na full feed din. Hindi yung gitna. Hindi po ito yung... Hindi po.
Two strikers.
Sabi natin midfield. Hello? May midfield dito. May midfield. Hindi ko niya... Oo. Katapat ni Roger si Max. Oo. Pero sa gitna may mid din. Hindi mo magkano kami dito. Lagay mo midfield. Inbound. Inbound ano? First okay. Circle. Audrey. First. May wala ulit.
First play.
Ay, ito first base namin. Gawin naman ang bilog. Wala yan.
Saan pwede?
Sige. Sino pwede maghawak dito?
Pa-video.
Wala ma'am.
And then, time stop.
Ba't kasi nakaharap sa akin? Go.
No.
3, go!
Guys, ano na? Makain na kami. Sarap. McDo.
Are you done?
Probably a special.
Oh? Huh? Why?
Because my food was like, I don't know. I should have gotten for extra rice.
How's your food?
I'm feeling very chickeny.
Oh, yay! How's your food?
It's okay, I'm just wishing I got extra rice.
Yeah. How's your food?
I miss my mom's food.
Okay.
Save us some Hennessy, please. Mom. Save me, Mom.
To the moms of these girls, please cook for them. Oh yeah.
My mom. Who's that? Your mother.
How was your food?
Good.
You're so cute. How's your food? Hello.
Opo.
Kamusta po ang pagkakain?
Ito po guys.
Wow.
Maganda. Meron pa ako. Maganda ako din sa ilalim guys.
Magpupura ako. Bakit parang...
Video. Dawat. Sorry, nagbakang kami ng anin.
Let's move over here. How was your food? Oh, bus na. How was your food? What? Oh. Hello. How was your food? Okay. Hi guys.
Hi guys. We're going back after eating McDo.
Balik na po kami sa SMDC.
We are returning.
Lalakad na naman tayo ng 5 kilometers.
May room tour din kami. Wait nyo lang. Guys, entering our condo. Mana
Sa hotel na kami. Ayan. Alright.
Here we are guys. Dito na kami sa room namin. Here we go.
Mali.
We go.
Mali guys.
Ano ba dito? Entering our room. Ito guys, tutorial how to unlock the door.
Arisu. Wait lang. Ito ba yung totoong door? Wait lang. Baka may sunog. Alay birthday. Room door boy.
Help me, please. Help me, please.
Guys,
Help me, please.
We'll be back.
Ayun na nga guys. Welcome to our room tour.
Try muna natin Jason.
Ano may baliw? Ano ba yan yung pinto? Ano ba yung room tour hindi nagsasalita? Yung mga trend. Ito guys. Ito magic. Automatic yan, Doy. Automatic.
Magic, isa pa.
Tumasok.
Balik mo nga. Uy! Bangis mo, boy.
Sorry, oh.
Yung kamay. Nice.
Top 1 sana namin. Ibang ganda.
Kaya yung pinto.
Lambot. Lambot, di ba? O tara, dito tayo. Saiga.
Pakita mo nga yung pinto. Uy, nagsasarado mag-isa.
Mati.
Isa pa, wag ganun lang. Snap. Uy, Doctor Strange.
Oh. Dito tayo. Ito, ang igahan natin. Di ba? Prepare na. Yun ba? Diba? At last na guys. Ito, automatic door. Tingnan nyo.
Oh, look at the view, man.
Ito na guys. Ang ganda oh.
Ano ba yan?
Mamayang morning. Okay. So guys, di ba ang ganda? Wait nyo guys, morning.
Ayun yung
Ganda ng
summit
Taal.
range. Diyan po yung event.
Diyan ang event po namin.
Tapos
Summit
dito yung
Ridge.
Taal. Di
Sama
lang
dyan yung
makita.
Taal. Good
Bukas
morning.
papakita namin sa inyo, sir.
Meme.
Wait lang. wait lang.
Wow.
Sige.
Time of sit. Ito yung maglaba. Come close. Una, Quelio. Yan, di ba nabasa na lahat? Quelio muna. Quelio, laban mo. Tapos ganun. Let may maling.
Mga masterpiece ng mga
Let may rinig kayo. Di ba? Ganun. Parang
Sabihin mo na.
Tulog na po si Teddy. Video. Tulog na po sila. Galaw lang. Pastora Laura, si Jedy po, oh. Tita Lucy, si MJ kumakain pa habang natutulog. Okay. Natulog na po sila.